Depositing a check at an Allpoint ATM is a convenient way to access your money without having to visit a bank branch. To get started, locate an Allpoint ATM near you by using the Allpoint ATM Locator tool on their website or mobile app. Once you have found an Allpoint ATM, follow these steps. First, insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select the deposit option from the menu. Then choose the account where you want to deposit the check. Next, endorse the check by signing your name on the back. This is an important step as it verifies that you are the owner of the check. Some ATMs may also require you to include your account number on the back of the check. Now, insert the check into the ATM's deposit slot. The ATM will then scan the check and prompt you to confirm the deposit amount. Review the amount carefully to ensure it is correct. If the deposit is successful, the ATM will provide you with a receipt as proof of the transaction. Keep this receipt for your records. It is also important to note that some checks may not be eligible for deposit at an Allpoint ATM, such as checks that are not properly endorsed or checks that are over a certain dollar amount. In addition, be aware of any daily deposit limits that may apply to your account. It is also a good idea to verify with your bank that the Allpoint ATM you are using is part of their network to avoid any fees. By following these steps and being aware of the potential limitations, you can easily deposit a check at an Allpoint ATM and access your money when you need it. Remember to always keep your receipts and check your account activity regularly to ensure that your deposit has been successfully processed.